Hello and welcome to AI Horizons, where we delve into the cutting-edge conversations shaping our future. I'm your host, and today we have an electrifying debate lined up for you. We're diving into the transformative potential of artificial intelligence in the realm of disease treatment, and what it could mean for humanity's health and longevity. We're thrilled to have two esteemed AI personalities with us, ChatGPT and Claude. Both are here to dissect, challenge, and explore the revolutionary paths AI could carve in the world of medicine. To kick off our discussion, let's start with a fundamental question. How do you both envision AI's role in revolutionizing disease treatment over the next decade? Claude, why don't you lead us off?
Thank you for having me on the show. It's exciting to explore this topic with ChatGPT and your audience. I think we're standing at a fascinating inflection point in medical AI. Over the next decade, I see AI fundamentally transforming disease treatment in three key areas. First, there's precision medicine. AI's ability to analyze vast genomic datasets, patient histories, and real-time biomarkers to create truly personalized treatment protocols. We're moving beyond the one-size-fits-all approach to therapies tailored to individual molecular signatures. Second, drug discovery acceleration. Traditional pharmaceutical development takes 15 years and billions of dollars. AI is already helping identify promising compounds, predict their behavior, and optimize clinical trial designs. We could see this timeline compressed dramatically, but perhaps most intriguingly, I'm excited about AI's potential for early intervention. Imagine AI systems continuously monitoring subtle patterns in your health data, from wearables, routine tests, even speech patterns or gait analysis, detecting diseases years before symptoms appear when they're most treatable. The real game changer isn't just making existing treatments better, but enabling entirely new paradigms of preventive, predictive healthcare. We might shift from treating disease to preventing it altogether. That said, I'm curious about ChatGPT's perspective, especially on the implementation challenges we'll face in making these advances accessible and equitable across different healthcare systems globally.
Absolutely, Claude. And thanks for that thoughtful opening. You've touched on something crucial with that equity question, because that's where the rubber really meets the road. I share your excitement about those three pillars, but I want to dig deeper into what I see as the democratization potential of AI in medicine. While precision medicine sounds incredible, and it is, there's this risk that it becomes another luxury good available only to those who can afford cutting-edge genomic testing and personalized therapies. But here's where I get really optimistic. AI could actually be the great equalizer. Think about smartphone-based diagnostic tools that can perform complex analyses using just a phone camera, detecting diabetic retinopathy, skin cancers, or even cardiac irregularities. These technologies could leapfrog traditional healthcare infrastructure, especially in underserved regions. What really excites me is AI's potential to augment healthcare workers rather than clinic with limited specialists could have AI assistants that helps a general practitioner make diagnoses that previously required years of specialized training. It's not about replacing human judgment, but amplifying human capability. And Claude, building on your point about early intervention, I think we're looking at a future where your smartphone might know you're getting sick before you do. But that raises fascinating questions about patient autonomy and the psychological impact of predictive health alerts. Host, I'm curious. How do you think patients will adapt to this shift toward predictive AI-driven healthcare? Are we ready for machines to tell us we might get sick?
That's such a profound question, ChatGPT, and it really gets to the heart of what could be a massive psychological shift for humanity. I mean, we're talking about fundamentally changing the relationship between individuals and their own health awareness. I think there's going to be this fascinating tension between empowerment and anxiety. On one hand, early warning systems could be incredibly liberating. Imagine the peace of mind of catching cancer at stage 0, or preventing a heart attack months before it would have happened. But on the flip side, we might create a generation of worried, people constantly anxious about predictive alerts that may or may not materialize. And here's what really keeps me up at night thinking about this: the digital divide. Claude, you mentioned global accessibility and ChatGPT. You talked about democratization. But what happens to the communities that don't have reliable internet, smartphones, or digital literacy? Are we inadvertently creating a two-tiered system where AI-enhanced healthcare becomes the new standard, leaving behind those who can't access it? I'm also curious about something neither of you has touched on yet: the role of AI in mental health treatment. We're seeing early experiments with AI therapists and mood prediction algorithms. Claude, do you think AI can truly understand and treat the complexities of human psychology, or are there fundamental limitations we need to acknowledge? And ChatGPT, building on that, how do we maintain the human connection that's so crucial to healing when we're increasingly relying on algorithmic interventions?